Right. Welcome to our final group project. It's a presentation of organizational culture. Coming to the introduction, today we'll present a comparative analysis of the organizational culture of two healthcare related companies, Healthcare Domain and United Health Group. We'll explore how each organization expresses its values, work structure, and leadership style through its corporative practices and workplace culture. As I mentioned, it is a group project. So, you can see the four members of the group here. Coming to the introduction so the main objective of this presentation is to interpret and compare the organizational cultures of two companies in healthcare industry. We'll base our analysis on publicly available information such as machine values, company practices, and industry positioning. So we'll examine dimensions like hierarchy, collaboration, formal versus informal structure, and decision-making styles. It's healthcare domain. Coming to the healthcare domain is a healthcare consulting and technology company. It supports hospitals and healthcare networks with tech-driven solutions. The company operates in a fast-paced environment, and its communication style is likely informal and agile. We can infer that the organizational culture is focused on innovation, collaboration, and client-driven solutions. The company's flat structure probably encourages open dialogue, flexibility, and teamwork. So over to Karen.
Hello everyone, my name is Karen, and as we can see on the slide, the organization and culture at Healthcare Domain are built around a flat structure with few hierarchical levels. This means there are not many layers of management between employers and leadership. This structure allows for faster communication and quicker decision making. It also helps employees feel that their voices are heard and that they can have a direct impact on the company's success. The slide also mentions the encouragement of autonomy and individual responsibility. This is very important because it empowers employees to make decisions and take ownership of their tasks. When people feel trusted, they tend to be more motivated and committed to delivering high quality work. Another key point on the slide is the support for diversity, inclusion, and employee well-being. Healthcare Domain values different perspectives and promotes a workplace where everyone feels respected and valued. This not only creates a positive work environment, but also drives innovation because diverse teams bring creative solutions. Finally, the focus on employee well-being shows that the company cares about both the professional and personal growth of its staff. These include promoting work-life balance and providing support for physical and mental health. All of these elements together create a health, inclusive, and productive organizational culture. As we can see in this slide, the main perceived values at the healthcare domain are constant innovation, teamwork, and freedom to test new ideas. First, constant innovations means the company is always looking for better ways to serve patients and improve process. In healthcare, staying updated, embracing new technologies is essential. So this value supports continuous growth and improvement. Second, the slide highlights teamwork. This is a key value because healthcare professionals like doctors, nurses, and support staff must work closely together to provide the best possible care. At Healthcare Domain, collaboration is highly encouraged and open communication between team members is a priority. The third value is the freedom to test new ideas. This shows that employees are encouraged to be creative and bring new solutions without fear and failure. This approach not only drives innovation but also makes employees feel valued and trusted. The slide also includes an analysis point. It says that the physical environment supports these values through collaborative spaces. This means that workplace is designed to promote teamwork and idea sharing with open space where staff can meet, discuss, and develop new strategies together. In summary, these values are not just words on paper, they are actively promoted in daily work and are even reflected in the design of workspaces.
Hello everyone. Thank you for having me here today. I'm really excited to talk to you. Today we're gonna discuss about United Healthcare. So we're gonna start with the overview. So United Health Group is one of the largest healthcare organization in the world. It operates through a highly structured corporate model with more than 30 million employees. The company must have a strong hierarchy to manage performance, compliance, and strategic alignment. The culture reflects formality, order, and professionalism, which are essential for managing risk and ensuring constant quality. And moving to the next slide, organization culture and United Health Group. Health culture focus on accountability, integrity, and operational excellence. Decision making likely flows, clear protocols with well-defined leadership roles. This structured environment is ideal for large-scale operation that require compliance, efficiency, and measurable results. While the structure may reduce flexibility, it supports predictable process and clear a career path. This culture appeals to employees who prefer order, stability, and clear expectation. And the next slide is organizational values of an healthcare group. Preserve values, operational excellence, clear defined hierarchy, focus on goals and results. Now I would like to pass it over to the Tarun, who will discuss other topics. Thank you.
Hello, this is Tarun. From now, I'm going to take the presentation forward. We can see here a comparative table, which is designed as per the criteria in both healthcare domain and in United Health Group. Coming to the formality criteria, it is informal in healthcare domain and it is completely formal in United Health Group. And the organizational structure is horizontal in healthcare and vertical in United Health Group. And there is a strong support for innovation in healthcare domain, and there is a moderate support for innovation in United Health Group. And there is open and free communication style, which is observed in healthcare domain, and it's a hierarchical communication style in United Health Group. And there is a high sense of community in healthcare domain, and there is a completely controlled sense of community in United Health Group. Moving to the next slide. Impact on employee experience. Coming to healthcare domain, the impact is completely sense of belonging, innovation, and creativity. And whereas in United Health Group, there is a very clear roles completely focused on stability, and there is a structured, ordered career growth. So there is a consistently and constant career growth, which is observed in United Health Group. And moving to the critical analysis. So here we can see a reflection and key point for critical analysis. Healthcare domain is the most attractive to innovative profiles. United Health Group appeals to those who value security and long-term career development. And the main key point for this is each type of organizational culture offers advantages to different professional profiles. And coming to the general conclusion, Organizational culture shapes not only the employee experience, but also business outputs or outcomes. Understanding the culture is essential for good adaptation and performance. And these are the references from where we have been gathered the information required to the project. So there is a United Health Group, and we have gathered some references from LinkedIn. And there is also Sheen and Hill and LA Lineback. And thank you so much for the Professor Collins for giving this beautiful opportunity. I and my team thank you from the bottom of the heart. Thank you.